If gets translated to kana as well. So or if, those two conjunctions, when they're translated to shona, they become kana. Kana. Let's do some examples. Help me if you love me. It becomes ndibatsirewo kana uchindida. Help me ndibatsirewo. If kana you love me uchindida. Next example. If you miss me, come over. Kana wandisuwa uya kuno. If, which is kana, you miss me, wandisuwa, come over.